Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strengthen your online anonymity with a VPN, encrypted messaging, and the Tor browser. Let's start with the foundation, using a VPN, or virtual private network. A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. That means your internet service provider can't see your browsing history or your video viewing habits, and the websites you visit won't see your real IP address. Setup is usually quick. Install the app from a reputable provider, sign in, and connect to a server location. For better protection, turn on features like the kill switch, which blocks traffic if the VPN disconnects, and auto-connect so you're covered every time your device starts. If there's a protocol choice, select a modern option like WireGuard or OpenVPN. Remember, a VPN improves privacy, but it isn't an invisibility cloak. Sites you log into will still recognize your account, so use it as one important piece of a broader privacy routine. Next, switch your texting to an encrypted messaging app. A great choice is Signal, which uses end-to-end encryption so only you and your contact can read or hear what's shared. The service can't access your content, and the app avoids ads and trackers. After installing, invite your regular contacts and communicate there instead of standard SMS. To enhance privacy, enable disappearing messages for sensitive chats, verify safety numbers with close contacts, and turn on features like registration lock or screen security. If you migrate devices, use encrypted backups and keep your PIN or passphrase safe. Over time, making encrypted chat your default helps keep personal conversations and call metadata more private. Finally, browse with an encrypted, privacy-focused browser. Tor browser routes your web traffic through multiple relays and layers of encryption, obscuring your IP address and what you're doing online. This is especially useful for sensitive searches and research. Keep in mind that Tor only encrypts traffic within the browser itself. It doesn't protect other apps, which is why pairing Tor with a VPN is so helpful. Expect slower speeds due to the extra routing, and resist installing extra extensions that could weaken anonymity. Use Tor's security settings as needed, and avoid logging into accounts that can link activity back to your identity when privacy is the priority. These three moves, VPN, encrypted messaging, and Tor browser, work together to raise your privacy baseline significantly. Take them one step at a time, get comfortable with each, and you'll build a safer, more anonymous digital routine. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.